What's up, YouTube? Back here with the GT again. Just working on the radio again. Putting in the Shelby door woofer upgrade kit, the 8-inch kicker CVTs, like I unboxed in the previous video. I have to say they sound a lot better. I just got them installed. Pretty simple install. Just taking the door panel apart. I figured out what color my passenger door panel used to be. It used to be tan. The previous owner painted it with late model restorations paint match kit for the medium dove interior. There's a reason. This door is not the original door to the car. I don't think I disclosed this in the previous video. There is partially a reason this was devalued down to what I considered the cobalt's value, is because it was in an accident. I don't think I disclosed this, but it was in an accident. I believe it was T-boned. Actually, this more than believed. It guaranteed was T-boned. This is a new piece, a new skin. The inside of this, underneath this panel, is all hamburger. I've had it apart and looked at it. It's not real pretty. This quarter panel has been replaced from here, probably over, about in that general area. You can see it if you look in from the trunk. Another indication is the dash is bent right here. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but you kind of can right there. Right there. That is the headliner is crinkled underneath here. This has all been beat on. From the outside, it looks pretty good. It's pretty straight. It's kind of hard to tell that it is all messed up, but if you look at it, you can tell it's messed up. It's not exactly right by far, but I'm quite sure that it will hold up pretty good. It was seamed weld, so if it was ever black, you'd probably notice it in different temperature. But they did a decent job on the exterior. They did a paint job on it. It was had to have been a cheap Mako job, is what it looked like, because it was real flaky and it peeled off, and just the whole car looked like shit. The best part of the paint job was when they painted this jam. It looks pretty good. This needs re-glued on. All the plastic dip peeled off it and glued back down, but that's why she's plastic dipped, because the paint's not real great underneath it. But yeah, pretty much I'm just going to drive it. I'm going to daily it. I don't really care. It's pretty structurally sound from what I can see. There's a few spots that I don't like. It's missing a chunk right in here, and the unibody I'm not a big fan of. I may eventually pull it out and put a brace in there or weld in a piece back in there. I don't know. It all depends. The car probably should have been a salvage title, but apparently they paid out of their pocket to have this fixed, so it wouldn't go on the title, which is a benefit for me. I got this to refinance, use this collateral to refinance my Snap-on toolbox, because it's expensive, and Snap-on hit me with the 20% interest rate. So I went and used this collateral, and I refinanced my Escalade as well. And I'm looking at, went from 20%, and I can't remember the exact percentage of the, so it was about 10% on the Escalade, and went down to 4.6% interest. So I'm saving a lot more money, and I have one payment now, all in one payment, automatically removed from my banking or from my checking account, so I don't have to waste money on stamps. And yeah, I'm real happy about that. So I got a lot more money freed up now that I'm not giving Snap-on $100 a week. And I got my taxes back, so I'm putting some love back into the GT. She's got 100,000 miles on the stock shocks. I don't know if you really tell, but she's pretty decent. But she needs some shocks and struts. So yeah, I got the Coney shocks with I bought some BMR lowering springs, Coney shocks, and the GT500 dampeners. So yeah, I'll be doing that install here sometime soon. I ordered a used Grant Revolutionary steering wheel for it because I kind of really would like... There's not a good grip on the steering wheel. And I'm hoping... Oop. Well, not hoping. I know the Grant steering wheel has a good grip in here. And there's really... I don't know, not a good grip. And it's just kind of a blah steering wheel. So I hit up eBay with the best offer, or gave them an offer, and they accepted it. A decent price for a steering wheel that was $600 and some. I paid under $200 for it, shipped to my door, so should be getting that hopefully soon. Hopefully not getting ripped off on that ordeal, but yeah. Car looks pretty good on the inside. I sound dead in the doors and the door panels while I was in there. I hope that ain't locked. It's not, because my keys are in it. And my phone too. Oh no, never mind. I'm recording my phone, dumbass. But I used some of this stuff from Amazon. It does kind of stink. It said it didn't stink. It does. That Nico, whatever the stuff is I've used in previous videos. I'm gonna call it Nico. But I used it in the previous video. It's way better than this stuff. It's thicker than this stuff. The old Nico was thicker than the new Nico, or the Nico, or Noco. I'm gonna call it Noco, whatever. But it was thicker than this stuff. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that name. But Killmat. I'm gonna guess it would be Killmat, but this is like $5 cheaper. Stay away from this stuff. I would definitely go with the Nico stuff. This is got way better sizing. I love the way this is cut. This is about the perfect size for sound deadener for me. So I like throwing it in. I can trim that easy and get it in spots, whatnot. But yeah, of course here's the stop shakers. I'm gonna hold on to them. I did cut enough in case I ever want to splice into them. I can, or I can hook them up to something. They're still good woofers, so they're like 60 watts. 60 watts, 1.2 ohms, 1.2 ohms times 2 at 60 watts, made in China. And I believe them are 2 ohm woofers that are in there now. But yeah. But yeah. Out of all the sound deadener, the MVX stuff I've used some sound Dead Skins? Amplifier Pro? No, Second Skins. Duh, not Dead Skins. Second Skins Amplifier Pro. That stuff's amazing. I've never used that on my personal rides. I have used it and helped buddies install it in their vehicles. That stuff's awesome. The MVX stuff, I've used that in my personal rides. I know how it lasts. It lasts pretty good. It's decent stuff. It's kind of pricey too. Good sound deadener is kind of pricey. This is a definite, I wish I would have just bought what I know it was. I was going to give it a try because it's a little cheaper. I'm always in the market for cheap sound deadener. This stuff's thick, heavy. Stinks though. And if it stinks in the car, when the car gets hot in the summer and I can smell it, it's going to get ripped out, and I'm going to replace it with either some good Second Skin, some MVX or something like that, because I don't like the smell of asphalt in my car. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and close off this video. I've rambled on long enough. I got to get out of here. We're supposed to be getting some bad weather, so some ice, and I don't know if the old GT will be fun in the ice. I mean, it sure would be fun if I wasn't trying to get home in it, but yeah. So yeah, look for the upcoming videos on the GT. I'll probably do updates. I probably won't do any install videos. I might do some stuff if I do some of my own custom mods or something, or I come across something that might need to be shared or something. I'll definitely give you guys a look at it when I get the lowering springs on it so you guys can see it. I'm anxious to get rid of this wheel gap. She's kind of a tall car. I'm going to miss the tall car in this park. Them mud flaps are going to be very low if I take 1.5 inches out of her. But yeah, I just really want to get this back end down. She's a little tall. She needs a bath really bad. I'm thinking about taking the dip off and vinyl wrapping it white. I really like white. I like this white, this super bright white. This plastic's awesome. I don't know. I want to change the hood up, possibly change the front bumper. I really want to make a GT, or not GT. I want to make an Eleanor clone out of it, but I don't know. I think I'm about just adding a spoiler, a chin lip spoiler in black, and a few little accents on the outside, and put some cams in it, some different stuff, and just make it a fun automatic daily. So got the TA to play with, my toy. So, and I also got the 83s in my toy too. Got some more parts for it this weekend. Tore some parts off the junkyard, so eventually I'll get down to tearing them apart and we'll get that stuff done. But yeah, thought I'd just show you. They sound good. I'd let you hear them, but I don't got any CDs. Only music I got's on my phone, so yeah, look pretty good. Look way better than the blue shakers that were in it. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one.